Bitcoin is in a pressure cooker and it's about to burst. We've got some bullish divergence happening and we need to discuss this weekly Stochastic RSI Cross. This could change everything. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. Do you wish your financial situation was better? Do you want to recover those losses? Wouldn't it be great if there was a simple and easy solution that could turn it all around for you? Not only do I have your solution, I just made it 75% off for a limited time only, introducing our largest sale of the whole year. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. This is Jacob. Jacob was a lot like you. He wanted to improve his financial situation. He went to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. He signed up to the all-in-one, and in 2 weeks, he made profits to pay back the whole price of the combo. And I want you to be next. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com, sign up. This is going to be a game changer. This is what you've been waiting for. Start this new year off with a bang. This is the all-in-one. This is the one that's the most famous. You can sign up right here. If you have any questions, you can email me at info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. Earlier today, we talked about this bullish divergence. Earlier today, we talked about this pressure cooker, this 2-year line. And earlier today, we talked about how in the next couple weeks, we're going to make a pretty big move in crypto. Either we're going to wipe out this bullish divergence or it's going to play out. One of two things is coming, and we're looking for clues. Which way is this going to go? Do we have any other clues? Is there a catalyst that can come into the market that could help this bullish divergence actually play out instead of getting wiped away? We noticed one. Down here in the bottom, we have our stochastic RSI. And by the way, if you missed the video earlier, go watch that so you can get caught up on everything that we just discussed, including a weekly death cross that's coming. The stochastic RSI, we've got to pay attention to what's happening down here because on the weekly, we just had a weekly stochastic RSI cross. And we haven't had one in quite a while. In fact, the last one we had was literally like 6 months ago, back when price action was down here. And we went up with the stochastic RSI, not a tremendous amount, but during a bear market rally of about 40%, that's pretty good. When you see a little 40% coming inside of a pretty devastating bear market, you have to pay attention. That's the last time we had a stochastic RSI cross. The time before that was in January of 2022. So literally almost a year ago. And from there, we saw about another 40% rally. So literally the past 2 stochastic RSI crosses that we had the entire calendar year have resulted in about a 40% gain in the midst of a pretty devastating bear market. These stochastic RSI crosses could even get much more significant. We're talking about, we had a stochastic RSI cross back when we were at 30,000 and went up to 69,000. That's a lot more than the 40% that we talked about earlier. We'll go ahead and do a little measured move for the one before that to see how much this rose, but there's about 140%. So these stochastic RSI crosses are little clues that the market gives us that we are having momentum start to head to the upside. When you want price to go up, you need momentum. Also, when you want price to go down, you need a momentum cross down. A lot of times these crosses down on the weekly result in a pretty big momentum heading down. Price heading down. You can see we crossed at about 69,000 and our momentum was heading down, and we went from 69,000 down to 33. So these stochastic RSI crosses are so simple and so easy and so clean, and they give us a lot of idea about where the market is heading, where is the momentum at the moment. So unequivocally, we can't deny that the blue line is on top, okay? When the blue line is on top, generally price rises. You can see blue line on top here, price rises. And then when we have the orange line on top, price falls. It's really that simple. And at the same time, we've got some bullish divergence forming where we had our low here, our lower low. And right now we're in a pressure cooker. and not a fun one. We've kind of been in this downtrending line following this level here for literally 2 years, and we're in a pressure cooker. It's going to play out in the next couple weeks. It's coming soon. Either Bitcoin is going to get heavy rejection from this red line, which could be possible, and it could push us so far down that we void our bullish divergence. That could definitely happen. That is a possibility. But right now, it's looking like we got a slightly stronger case that this could play out. Now, if it does play out and we have our stochastic RSI having that momentum helps us get above here. That helps us put the dominoes to fall in place to have the bullish divergence play out. Bitcoin would be met with some heavy resistance at this red line, okay? This red line has played a dramatic role in every single bear market that we've had dating back to 2015. You can see holding critical support in 2018 and the COVID crash. So it's only realistic that this is going to be a pretty major level for us to get through. So we could rally as far up to that. I don't see us rallying above this red line in any way, but that would shake up the market quite a bit. To go on a rally to there, we're talking about, a 40-ish% gain, which would be on par for the past 3 stochastic RSI crosses that we had, especially the past 2 were around 40. So this wouldn't be out of the question for Bitcoin to rally up to here. Does that mean we're out of the woods and suddenly we're going to go to a new all-time high? That's very unlikely. This is a bear market, and to turn from a bear market to a bull market, it takes a lot of time and patience and some slow dominoes to start to fall into each other. This would be a first domino, but there are many more that would need to fall. We'll be keeping you up to date. We're dropping bangers after bangers after bangers. I'm going to try to do 2 again tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow back here with some brand new charts for you. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.